Today I want to introduce our geomembrane to you. Geomembrane is a kind of synthetic material with a very low permeability and is also a kind of waterproof material. It can be used in many engineering projects such as landfill, mining, subway, fish pond, and so on. This is our geomembrane production workshop. We have 10 sets of geomembrane production equipment and has a strong production capacity. We have nearly 30 years of production experience, and we have complete equipment, high quality products, and good price. We can produce a variety of geomembrane such as HDPE, LDPE, LLDPE, and PVC, and other geomembrane products. We are very willing to offer you our experience and products. If you have any needs, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.